Today I'm taking you inside. We will see exactly how dried mango is made, from fresh fruit to packed and shipped. Stick around till the end. This is our automatic peeler. It strips the skin off every single mango in just a few seconds. So nothing here is done by hand. Fast, and it keeps every mango exactly the same size for the next step. Right now, these mango slices are inside our dehydrator for about 8 hours at a controlled low temperature. This slow, gentle drying process is what gives dried mango its soft without cooking out all the natural flavor. Once the mango slices pass quality inspection, this machine weighs out the exact same amount every single time. No guesswork, no inconsistency, just precision packing at a massive scale. From here, every pallet gets tracked, stored, and staged for shipping. Within a day or two, these boxes of dried mango will be loaded onto trucks and sent out to stores across the country. And just like that, our dried mango has traveled from the factory floor all the way to your local grocery store shelf. Let's go see where it ends up.
Oh wow, this is really good. Soft, chewy, and it actually tastes like real mango, not overly sweet at all. I'm definitely buying this again.
Yeah, I think we are making really good progress today.
I agree, the team is doing great.
Perfect healthy snack for on the go. My kids love it too. Welcome to the family. That's how dried mango is made here at Factory 11M. Hit subscribe, drop a like, and share this video. See you in the next one.